Let me show you how you can easily create beautiful social media posts without any special software, just by using your browser. So you can do these beautiful posts like what you see here without any special tools. Now, I'm an old school, so I would usually opt in for something like Adobe Photoshop since I have the graphic design background. But today we have all these amazing tools at our disposal that you don't really need any special software. So let me show you how we do this just by using this free tool that you have available. So we're gonna be using a software named Canva. Canva is a free online image editor. You can just sign up and start using it straight away. Now the beautiful thing is that it already has presets that you can leverage. So I'll just click on the Create a Design button to start a new post. And it will ask you, what is it that you want to create today? There are Facebook posts, Instagram posts, you can even do documents, posters, flyers, whatever you need. So let's go for Instagram post. We'll get the dimensions set up automatically. This is my drawing board. So I have a blank page, and on the right hand side I can choose from different templates that are already part of Canva, or I can just create a new design by myself. So let's say I am searching for inspirational quote. In the templates section you will see that there are already quotes that you can just pick up, pop them onto your canvas and just share them. Just click on the template, it will get populated on your page and you can just download it and share it. So these are great, but it's not really as nice as I would like my post to be. So I'll create a new one from scratch. So just go add a new page. And usually I would want to have some kind of a beautiful background photo and text to go with it. Now Canva comes with photos that you can already just search through and use as you see fit. So I'm gonna search for photos related to creativity. And what I usually like to do is just turn on this filter. So I usually go for the pro photos because it will give me a better quality images. And these are all the pictures that are related to creativity. You can just take the picture and drag it onto your page. You can reposition it on your page as you need, and that's it. If you want a different picture, you just find the one that you like, take the picture, and when you click on it, it will open up on your page. You can drag it onto your background and replace the current background that you have already. So here is my picture, and now I want to add a little bit of text to it. So what I'm going to do is I'll switch to Text tab. And either you can put in a heading, a subheading, and a body text, or you can just browse through already designed combinations of fonts. Now let's say I'll start from scratch, so I'll just add a bit of text over here, and I can reposition the text any way I want. And now I want to put in a quote to go with my post. So I'll just double click to make changes and type in my text. Now this font doesn't necessarily look very good, so I'll just go to the top and change the font to something else. Maybe something sans serif. You can search through the fonts, or you can type in what is it you want. You can go for handwriting. You can go for serif fonts, sans serif font. Depends on the style that you're after. You can see there are lots and lots and lots of fonts that you can just choose for a project. You can resize the text, you can change the text frame, And you can even change the text colors. If you click on the top and go to the colors, and there are some default colors. There are also photo colors, which is a really cool thing to have because you can match the text to the colors that are already in the photo, so it doesn't clash as much and it looks really good when you pick the right combination. Or you can just type in whichever color you want. So if I want purple, you just type in purple and Canva will offer you lots of different shades of purple color. Now sometimes when you have the text, it's not easy to read on the background picture. So what you can do is just switch to the Elements tab. And what I like to do is put a little bit of background behind the text. So usually I would add a blank square, and I will put the square behind the text. And if I have a dark color for my text, I'll make the square white. And then I go into the transparency, which is up here in the top right corner. I'll make that background square a little bit transparent, so let's say 50%. And now I have my text on a semi-transparent background, so it's easy to read and I have a beautiful picture. And all I need to do now is just download this picture and I can share it on my social media. It's easy as that. So you can go download, I can download this PNG file or JPEG, which is best for social media. And you can also go and share this instantly on your Facebook page. What you can also do is, let's say we're searching for people, and I want to put this guy on there. I want to have this guy on a transparent background. Now this guy, he's on a background already, but I don't want the yellow there, I want something else. So what you can do is go to Edit Image, and you can click on Background Remover. And Canva is actually going to instantly remove that background from the image, so you only get the cutout. So see, now I have a guy on a transparent background. I can just position him on my post like that. I can say that, okay, I want a background to put on my image. I can do different gradients, for example. I can do photos. So just pick this as my background, and suddenly I have got my cutout guy on a background. I can change these backgrounds as I want. Perfect. Let's put him on this green thing. And maybe I want to do a post for a special sale. So what I'm gonna do is go to these elements and search for sale. And I can just pick one of these elements that are already there. Just pick this big sale, pop it onto my page, and we can do shop now. So you can just reposition these elements as you like them. We can do abstract backgrounds, so I'll just use one of these for my post. So you can just play around with these as you see fit, but it's good fun. And amazing thing is that this is free, so you can just use this at your leisure to create beautiful social media posts just by using your browser. We can also do videos, so I can just copy this page and I can do a video background. So let's, instead of image, let's put this in a background. And now I have a post that has an animated background and I can just use this on my Instagram. How cool is that? So this is an easy way to get started and create beautiful social media posts that people will just love to engage on and comment and share. So over the past 2 years, we have created over 2000 of these templates using Canva. And some of them are free for you to download, and some of them are part of the Social Mastery Content Club, where you can just go weeks and weeks back and use all of these templates as you see fit for your own social media. It's super easy, the posts are beautiful, and they are just there for you to use. I hope you found this helpful, and if you need more social media tools, more help with your marketing, just visit the resources section on my website. It's www.michaelwurm.com, michaelwurm.com/resources. There is a lot of free stuff for you to download. And if you need more personal help or have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help.